here I am at Farm Cottage. There is a parking space for the property just outside the front, and then with the possibility of being able to get a second parking space if needed. As you enter the property, you're greeted by a large living room diner that has beautiful high ceilings. There's a space for storage just under the stairs, which is handy. And then we make our way round to the kitchen. There's space for a washing machine just underneath, and then you've got space for an under-counter fridge and an under-counter freezer. There we go. Then we'll make our way upstairs. As we make our way upstairs onto the landing, we're greeted by the bathroom. There you go. So you've got a walk-in shower. There we go. And then this is the smallest out from the 2 bedrooms, but you know, still a really decent double-sized room. And then we make our way into bedroom number 1, and this is the master bedroom of the property. So as you can see, a real lovely, decent size. And then what's really handy with this property is that you have got a built-in walk-in wardrobe with shelf space, as well as a wardrobe rail. There we go. And just in a moment, I'll take you back down the stairs and we'll go and have a look at the garden. So we'll make our way back out the house and through to the garden. You've got a hedge all along around the property. This is to be maintained by the tenant of the property. And the garden is just through here. There you go. So your responsibility goes up to the flower pots there, and then just down slightly past the railing here. The landlord is hoping to put a storage container just there, so you'll be able to have space to be able to store a lawnmower and possibly some fold up dining room table furniture for outside.